Alright, so I'm gonna be honest, I have no idea how the fuck to start this video, but I'm hype as hell. This is Garden Fresh Market in Mundelein, Illinois, and the last time I checked on YouTube, this motherfucker has a low-pitched 321a, and I'm here to see if it's still low-pitched, if it still exists. I don't know, I'm just hype as fuck. I gotta find this bitch, dude. Where are you, buddy? Okay, wrong side. Maybe he's right there. Nope. Maybe over here. Where are you? Right here. He's right here. He's right here. He's right here. Oh my god. Alright, let's see. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god, he's still original. He's still original. Dude, I'm like shaking. Alright, shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Just shut the fuck up and listen. All right, compose yourself. Let's do the chimes. Let's fucking. Oh my god, that is like old controller. You're so fucking pretty. What's your interlock date? That would be April 2000. You gonna chill up here? Bye bye. Oh my. Oh, I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry. I'm so hyped, dude. This is absolutely fucking gorgeous. Let's get a nice sound of, are you gonna take a water level, huh? Let's get some nice, oh, you're not gonna chime for me. You are exterior only, huh? I'm too excited, dude. I'm too fucking excited for this. I guess I'll do my cab view right now. Oh my. Dude, she's so fucking loud. My god. Absolutely fucking gorgeous. There's the Schindler logo. My god, dude. Here's the Schindler logo one. Hold on. I want to let her close up so she doesn't fucking yell at me again. Come on, baby. I'm gonna go down and then finish up here again. But I just don't want you to fucking yell at me. Come on, baby. Let's hear it. Hold up. Let's get that. Mm-hmm. You were so beautiful. You were so fucking gorgeous. Stop switch too. Fuck, dude. Oh my god. For context of me being a complete foamer right now, if you didn't know, Schindlers are my favorite. HTs are my favorite Schindler. 321As are my favorite Schindler HT. Do I need to keep going? And this is, as we know, low pitch is pristine as hell. I'm getting one more. I'm getting one more real quick. Yep. It's just, oh my god. Let's, do one quiet wide angle. Come on, baby, you got it. There you go. Absolutely pristine, gorgeous. Like, here we go. I like fucking speechless, dude. She's gorgeous. I'm literally gonna Dude, this door, I'm so sorry. You don't have to, I don't want you to yell at me. I'm gonna foam a little bit longer. Just 1 second. Let's just, one last one. Oh my god. Low pitch 321a lives to this day. Fucking most beautiful elevator I've ever seen in my goddamn life. And that is it.